The main focus on this report, which is the first of its kind, is about the widespread anti-gypsyism. What I want to present is the root cause of the exclusion and why the stigmatization of the Roma. The situation is really indecent in almost all of the member states. Like in Sweden, for example, which is a very rich and developed country, 80% of the Roma are unemployed. We never recognized anti-gypsyism. It's individual level and institutional level. It's structural. And it is very old. I mean, since the Roma came to Europe, like 800 years ago. Europe has to recognize their failure. Member state has to recognize their failures. Me, myself, I'm also Roma, and I know that I was born condemned because there are so many prejudices and so much against me because of my ethnicity. Now it is about time to take full responsibility also for these people. Nobody wants to be poor. Nobody wants to live like cattle. Nobody wants not to send their children to school. Nobody wants to live without electricity. Nobody wants to live without water. If we are going to be a proud union, we cannot be that as long as we have like 10, 12 million people living totally excluded from everything.